Good morning, everyone. The weather has been really gloomy lately, but it's finally starting to get sunnier. So I thought it was the perfect time to live my spring Pinterest board. Spring is literally my favorite season. So I've been putting together this board for so long and I'm super excited to finally make it happen. This is what the board looks like right now. I feel like making an effort to just romanticize your life every once in a while really does so much for your mental health. So today I want to do like a really cute Pinteresty picnic and also some baking because I've been seeing these heart-shaped jelly jam cookies all over Pinterest and I haven't baked in so long, so I'm super excited to go back into that. I also got some flowers, so I think they'd look super cute on the picnic. For today's outfit, I think this pink top with a white tennis skirt is gonna look so cute. So let's go get ready. Now that we are all ready, it's time to bake some cookies. For my cookies, I added some all-purpose flour and also mixed in some almond flour just for the taste. I'm also using some strawberry jelly and some maple syrup because I didn't really have sugar, and also some vanilla extract. I softened up my butter and I'm just adding my maple to it and mixing it in, and added my vanilla extract to that. Then I'm pouring a little bit of the butter mixture into the flour and just folding it in. And it should just create some cookie dough. Apparently you're supposed to chill this dough, so I just used some cling wrap and placed it in my fridge for like 30 to 45 minutes. Once that's done, I'm just taking my dough and rolling out some really small balls and then pressing them flat to make our little cookies. To make the heart shape, I'm just using my fingerprint. I'm dipping my finger in flour and just pressing on it twice to kind of make a heart shape. Then I'm just filling the hearts with strawberry jelly and we're ready to bake. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, so I'm just letting them bake for 12 minutes. They look so cute and they smell amazing, and I'm so happy with the way they turned out. But now that the cookies are done, it's time to prep for our picnic. I'm just getting some strawberries and just washing them and getting rid of the stems. And I'm just packing them in a Ziploc so I can pour them into a bowl later. I put my cookies in a small container, and then I also got some sparkling pink lemonade, and it's actually so cute. Also from Sprouts, I got some croissants. I'm making sure to just wrap the glassware in like tissue or just something to protect it. But yeah, now that we got all our stuff, it's time to go find our location. This one is behind my apartment pool. I spent kind of a while arranging it, but I think it pulled through because the setup looks so cute. The picnic was so much fun. I highly recommend just taking yourself out on a solo date. I ended up taking some cute pictures and had a good time. But other than that, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!